probably a quilt shop. Hubby doesn't know about that. That's a little north of us, so we thought it was a nice day for a drive. So what am I working on in the car? Well, I've got my patriotic project bag. So there's a patriotic pattern from Waxing Moon Designs. It's her little gnome series. Where'd it go? And seriously, I just had him out. I'll edit this part out. Okay, so it fell down in here. Seriously, between the seat. I had it ready to show you. So I worked on the border, and the gnome is holding a little popsicle with a little balloon. That's the American flag in a heart shape. So I'm working on that in the car. It's not a long drive. I'll catch you when we get there. And here we are. Okay, here I am in the shop. Look, it's so cute. And I'm the only one here. And there's Rhonda behind the counter. So I'm gonna look around a bit. Wow, okay, I hadn't heard that. Okay, so pillows or pin keeps. Mm-hmm. I like the pillow puff too.
Yeah,
that's cute.
That's our shop name.
And I just finished that one. And I have this one. And I want others. Gonna do a little voiceover now. She had a great selection of patterns, and I ended up getting this one. And I don't know how to say this designer's name, but I got this one too because it's got this fun sea life. And then more. Here are a lot of the tiny towns. And I didn't know of Luhu stitches before, but she's got really cute patterns. And here is Waxing Moon Designs. And then here's more. Of course, I got this one with the cardinal. And I found Sweet Wings Studio. Look at all the flosses. Sorry I panned this kind of fast, but lots and lots of flosses. And more. And I zoomed in on this bird. Oh, there's more goodies back here. Teresa Kogut. Cool. There's a great selection here with lots of things that I like. Oh, look how nice. Hi, this is Rhonda.
Hi.
She is a store owner here, and back here she's got her own little studio where she's working on things. So I asked her if she would show us what she's working on.
I am working on Threadworks Primitive Designs, the Primitive Crow.
Ooh. And you said you have the skeleton key?
I'm going to hang it from a skeleton key, yeah.
Oh, cool.
And I'm working on 40 count mallow, which would be the equivalent to 20 count Ada for the Ada stitchers.
That's me.
That's a lot of people. And it's wonderful. I don't care what you stitch on, just enjoy it.
Oh, well, Rhonda's been very helpful, and she has a very nice store here in Iowa Falls, so I'm going to highly recommend it.
Okay.
Thanks for chatting, Rhonda.
You're welcome.
Okay, so that was super fun. Rhonda at Criss Cross Stitchery in Iowa Falls is super nice. We had a good chat. I stopped by the quilt shop, which is just 4 doors down, and got some fabrics, and I think her name was Diane. She helped me, and that was awesome.
Denise.
Denise, yes, thank you. Her name was Denise. She was very helpful. So it was just really nice, small town Iowa help and friendliness, and that was great. And I had a list of 2 things I needed at the stitchery shop and got a lot more than that. So there's probably too much car noise, so I will share my haul when I get home. This is what I got from the quilt store, just 4 stores down from the cross stitch store. I needed some fabrics to go with some fabrics that I already had. So these are going to complement the ones that I had nicely. And like I said before, Denise was very helpful helping me find these. And then they had these cute little pops with the popsicle sticks ready for the Iowa State Fair. So to get in the fair mood, they made these little popsicle sticks, and I just thought the fabrics were so cute. So probably make project bags or something out of that. Now from the cross stitch store, did this pretty bag, and it was like, yeah, totally reusable. So love it. Okay, so I'm just gonna dump everything out. Cute little floss keeper. She showed me how that can go on my project. And her business card is a 3-inch square. And she showed me how if you start your cross stitch in the corner, you can measure this. And if you want to be 3 inches away, you'd put it here on your fabric and you'd start here. There's also a 2-inch square. So if you want to be 2 inches away, give yourself a 2-inch border all the way around. You'd line up the business card and you'd start right there. And then there's a 1-inch. So it's a very usable business card. I thought that was genius. And so if you ever want anything kitted up, she does all that, and I'll put all the information in the description. This is the stuff I got. Okay, so she had a lot of flosses, and I just got some that I thought were pretty. Some I actually needed for a project, but others I just got because they caught my eye, and I was like, I want that. I got some duplicates for an upcoming retreat, and yeah, so when you see all the flosses in person like that, it's very hard to not buy any. I had 2 on my list going in there and came out with a lot more than that. So I thought these would be great for fall. Look at that. Is that focused? I can't tell. I don't have my glasses on. Okay, so I got all these flosses, and then I picked up this pattern from JBW Designs, and I really like how they make patterns using only 1 color. So I thought that would be fun for Christmas. And then, oh, okay, I thought I had 3. I only see 2. Then I got this one from Little House Needleworks. It's so cute. Look at the little cardinal. You know me, I can't resist that. I thought that looked like a fun stitch. And then, to my knowledge, I hadn't seen one with cute little fish and seahorses and stuff. So I got this front. I don't know how to pronounce the name, but that's it. And I thought that was very fun. Also, I probably won't do it all as one big one. I'll probably, like, wouldn't this make a great bookmark? These right here. So I don't know. The wheels were a turning. So that's what I got from our trip today. We had a lot of fun. I highly recommend going to Iowa Falls and visiting these shops. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.